Good morning and welcome back to the Spooligan Fishing Channel. This morning, hopefully you can work out behind me where I am. Yes, we're back at the special place, Ramsey Sound, the Spooligan place where we absolutely love coming. It's early morning. I was up a good hour and a half before my alarm, so 3 AM start for me. Powered down the M4 to meet up with this man, the main man, Mr. Johnny Coops. We're just getting set up, getting ourselves ready for hopefully an exciting and eventful day's fishing. We'll bring you back shortly when we're set up. Cheers.
Well, here we go. That man again. First cast magic. Sir Craig Noble Jones. Lovely bite, to be fair. He was actually flying a drone and getting some footage. But that man, the fish whisperer, into the first fish. What's it going to be? Oh, it's a huss. First huss of the day. Right, I'm going to have to go and get this in for him.
There we go. The first cast magic happens again at St. Justinian's. Not a huge bust, but lovely dark markings on the wire dongle spinner rig. You can see right in the scissors. So we'll get him unhooked nice and easy, get him put back. But first cast, great start to the day. This place never fails me. Let's go. Fish on? Yeah. Fish on.
So it seems first cast magic strikes again. For me this time, my first huss, first cast, mackerel squid at the all fantastic St. Justinian's, the home of Spooligan. Let's get this one back and aim for number 2. Beautiful fish.
Second cast, second huss. Again, not a particularly big one, and this one swallowed that dongle right down, so we've had a bit of a battle trying to get him free, so I don't want to keep him too long. Let's get him back. Happy days. Yeah. Oh, is it? I don't know. Oh, what? What was that then? Battered. Holy shit. Whoa. Try again. Right, after that cracking bite, which John spotted a couple of times while I was trying to bait up a little float or brass rig I'm going to chuck over the side shortly, I did get a nice bite, and it was briefly on, and there was weight there and I could feel the fish. Problem is, on the dongle, it's taken the bottom of the rig, and as you can see there, it's literally destroyed the bottom of the rig. Now my question is, if I'd have been fishing a traditional Pennell style arrangement with my hooks, you know, like my other rigs I've got with me, so sort of 6/0 on the bottom, 8/0 on the top, would I have hooked that fish? Or would it have stayed on, shall we say? Now, fair play, I did have my first two fish on the dongle, the wire dongle, on the spinner. But I'm starting to think, what's the point in the dongle if you're going to lose fish because of that, where it's taken the bottom of the bait? And if there had been a bottom hook there, would that fish have stayed on? Let me know your thoughts. Are you dongle fishermen? Are you pro, against? You know, for me, a little bit gutted to lose a fish where it's taken the bottom of the bait. But yeah, let me know, guys, and let's thrash this one out. What your thoughts are? Well, it's been a frantic first hour here. 3 fish between us. Thankfully, the bites have died off a little bit at the moment, so we're having a breather and a chill out, which is mainly why we come to Justinian's, is a bit of a chill and just really soak up the environment, because it's a stunning part of Pembrokeshire. You know what I mean? It's my favourite place. It's where my ashes are going to be scattered when I die. So I'm just refueling on the next best thing. I haven't got the AeroPress with us today, or the stove, because it's hard enough carrying all the kit as it is. But while we're having a bit of a quiet spell, time to get the spinners out. Let's get the slow jigs in action. I got the chest cam on, so I'll take you with me down to the water's edge, see if we can't winkle out a little pollock or something. Yeah, let's get down there. Well, the crazy things you do when you're out fishing. Tried on the spinners, nothing, quite weedy on the bottom, so I thought, I know, I'll ledger a little prawn on my spinning rod. So 20 yards out.
10, 5.
Closer than that, I think. Yeah. Really close in. Put the little rod on the John stand on the side. Bang! Huge bite. John strikes into it. I've got the footage on my phone, I'll drop that in as well. Huss, 6 or 7 pound huss on a 40 gram spinning rod. Got it to the edge of the water, I went down with the net, bit us off right on the edge. Gutted. I don't know if I got the footage on my phone of the rod literally in half. But yeah, let's try again. Let's put some heavier line on. As you can see where he's absolutely shredded it, you can see the bait stop still on there, but yeah, a cracking bit of fun. Right, take 2. Tiny prawn bait on a 40 gram spinning rod. 10 yards out. See what we get. Got it, Russ.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yes! Fucking go on. 40 gram spinner rod. Look at that.
Yeah, boy! Look at the colour of it!
Yes!
Look at the colour of that!
Look, fuck, my rod was in half.
Awesome!
Yeah, boy!
Out doing the big rods.
Oh. Just nicked him in the side of the jaw. Look at that. 40 gram spinning rod. Yes.
Beautiful.
Let's get him back. Without breaking my leg and falling over. You are? Well, okay, no. That's all on camera, don't worry. Gone. Hey. Oh. Fucking hell. Dorsal fin caught me in the finger. Go on. Right, I didn't get down there. You scrap with whatever it is. I'm gonna go and get down there. Hopefully not go flat on my ass again. Oh, there he went. This is where I go flat on my ass, everyone, and you all have a good laugh at me at home. Whoa, there he went. You are stuck. It's braid to. Do you reckon wrasse? It's a bit perilous here. I'm stood on kelp. You want me to manually pull for a brake? Huh? Want me to try and pull him out? Yep, I got him. I see him. Wrasse, I think. Mate, it's a fucking big pollock. Mate, you won't fucking believe 40 gram spinning rod. Look at the fucking size of it. Mate, you've done well to fucking bring that up. That spinning rod's done me proud today.
What a fish!
Mate, that's a bruiser.
Look at that! PB pollock the ass off, boy!
On a 40 gram spinning rod.
Look at that! What a fucking fish! Fuck off!
Look at that, boy. We're gonna have to put loads of bleeping in this video.
What a fish! Holy shit, brother! Look at that! What a fish! 40 gram spinning rod, small piece of prawn, over the edge in the kelp. It did get stuck, but my carp fishing patience, like playing of this fish, I got it out, and some great netting skills from Craig. But what a fish, PB pollock.
We'll weigh him and get him back, or?
Yeah, let's weigh him up, get him back.
Well, that was a hell of a 10 minutes.
Something I've never ever experienced before, and probably never again, to be honest. Never thought that that small rod, small piece of prawn in the edge would do something like that. A fish of a lifetime for me.
Yeah, we just weighed it. £7.3.
£7 3 ounces.
On a 40 gram spinning rod.
Don't get me wrong, you know, there's bigger fish out there that you may see online, but for me, epic fish. And you know, I do carp fishing, and you know, I catch big fish doing that, but that for me is the #1 fish I've had for many years. It's fantastic. The rod buckled over.
Where is it? Yeah,
the tiny spinning rod.
Little Berkeley Nomad 4-piece travel rod. It's just my little spinning setup, and I had to go with the slow jigs down in the bay down there. Bit weedy, not really any good, so I thought, you know what, I'll ledger a bait. First cast, John brings in, well, got it to the surface, what looked to be about 6 or 7 pound bullace. Bonkers, mind blown. So we thought, come on, let's bung another one out. And I said to John, right, next one you're having. John was doing something, so I picked it up. It was that wrasse. Okay, this is great fun, this. And then we chucked out another prawn, and I said to John, right, if it goes, it's you. Luckily it was John, because if it had been me, yeah,
the reel was screaming.
Yeah,
mad.
If it had been me, I'd have pulled for a break. But John's patience paid off. I went down, and I think I've got it on the chest cam. Wow.
Yeah, it got stuck. It got stuck, and I left it. And Craig was like, let's give it a bit of a pull for a break. I was like, no, let's just relax. Let's see what it does.
Yeah.
I could feel it still knocking, and then all of a sudden, whack, straight over. And the second fight, far better than the first section of the fight. Unreal.
I've taken plenty of pics. I'm hoping the video comes out. I'll drop all of those in, but
never seen nothing like it.
Wowzers.
In all the years we've been fishing together, and all the fish we've caught, species and sizes, that for me is one of my best ever fish. Yeah. Fantastic.
What a great little rod. Bonkers. Right.
Anyway, back to it. Get the rod back out. Let's get another one.
Let's go and have some caffeine and sugar and recover, and let's get back on it. Yeah. It's been 15 to 20 minutes since the fish, and a pair of us are still like a pair of giddy kids, giggling, laughing, just in shock of what a fish on a ridiculously small rod. Thankfully it was John who hooked into it, because if it had been me I'd have lost patience and probably pulled and broke it off and that, but John, being the carp angler and probably more seasoned at playing fish and things like that, thankfully he got it in. But yeah, mine's just slightly blown bit of what we just did. But I suppose that answers my long-standing question of, do smaller hooks and small baits catch big fish? Yes, it does. and so do small rods. But yeah, I just chucked another prawn out on it now just to see if we can top it. I don't think 7 pound 3 is going to be beaten on that little thing. I think any more than that the bloody thing would snap. But yeah, what a day. Justinian's never fails me. It's my happy place. It's the place where I have special fish and special days out. So yeah, long may it continue, I say. So right, I'm gonna have some to drink, something to eat, and gather my thoughts and try and compose myself and carry on fishing. So we'll bring you back if there's any more fish, and I'll see you soon. Well, we're getting towards the end of our session now. Last casts are out. This bright sunshine has pretty much killed the fishing. We could stay till dark, and I'm sure it would pick up, but I've got a long drive home. It's been a fantastic day. We've had some insane fishing and a bit of a masterclass in how to play a fish from John. So I'm fingers crossed this all edits down well, and the great day that we've had comes across well on video. So we're gonna see how these last casts go. If we do get anything, certainly bring you back, but we'll make the short trek back to the van, grab ourselves a coffee, and no doubt see you all on the next one.